Hey guys, it's Marty from Two Line Slot Cars, and I just made a trip to Harbor Freight, and I think they've created the official slot car screwdriver set. Real quick tip, went to Harbor Freight today, and I found this precision screwdriver set, and I believe it's probably made, it should be renamed to the Quinn 12-piece slot car precision screwdriver set. Really, I mean, it has everything and more that you need, and it comes with a little pouch. So let's tear into it. If it gives us everything we need, and for less than $15, you can beat it as long as it's high quality. So let's jump in. Here you go. Comes with a tray. You could use this tray in your toolbox, but then it also has a travel pouch. Let's tear this thing open and have a look-see. That plastic is pretty hard. So there's the pouch. Let's see if we can get the tray out of there and have a look. Here we go. So you have really a great selection. You have a larger flat tip, like a regular screwdriver, in a 3 and a 2.5 millimeter, a 2 millimeter, 1.8, and a 1.5. So even down to small. Looks like the tips are coated. They look great. And for $14, man. And so you could use this plastic tray to keep everything organized on your workbench. As you can tell, mine is a disaster. And then you've also got a Phillips 0. Put this on a white background. A 0 and a 00. And they also have these markings. Yellow is for your regular. Red is for your Phillips. There's a 00. So you can see that tip. And then they also have a 2.0 hex, which I'm not sure, that might be the only thing that we probably wouldn't use. But then there's a 1.5 hex and a 0.9 hex NSR wheels. Oh, actually that's too big or too small. It would be the 1.5. So the only thing that doesn't have, I just realized it. So that's a 1.3. Okay, so I missed on this. Then there's also 2 hex. So really the 1.3 is the one that you're missing, because here's the 0.9, and the 0.9 we use on a lot of cars. Down through, oh, perfect, 0.9. So the only thing we're missing is the 0.3, a couple hex, small T5, and then a T6. Let me grab a thunder slot. The thunder slot is a T6. There you go. Perfect. Slot screws with the T6. So the only thing we're missing in this kit, the 1.3. Great kit overall. I think it will become very handy. Harbor Freight, less than $15. You get a little carrying case to put them in. So you can throw them in your bag. And the only thing you would have to do is grab your 1.3, include it in the set. I think that's worth it. So guys, there you have it. Harbor Freight, less than $15. It might as well be called the slot car set. It was a deal. I was in to get a new multimeter and something for the garage, and I saw these, and these are new in our Harbor Freight in Chillicothe. So go check it out. Guys, if this content was handy for you, if you like this kind of content, hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, hit the bell so you get notified anytime I put out new content. I really appreciate it. It's a great set. Like I said, it's only missing one thing that we would use with slot cars, and that's the 1.3 hex. But outside of that, they look like they're really high quality, great tools. So go check it out. Go to your Harbor Freight, pick one up today. Cool stuff. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, go have fun racing.